Hello, my name is Norbert from JayWay Travel. I'm Budapest Destination Manager. Today we are going to try a new excursion. It takes usually 25 minutes to get a nice view and a nice glimpse of the city and the sights. I'm joined by many of my colleagues from all over Europe. So let's go and have fun.
What up, Budapest? I'm asking you, what a beautiful view you have. Buda and Pest, Pest and Buda. The Danube flows through, but we call it Duna. The city of water, pioneer of the ruin bars, home cookers, street fooders and Michelin stars. 14 bridges, diverse architecture, a true jewel with a unique texture.
We're going actually really fast.
The heart of Europe beating relentless. Counting the sights, 1, 2, forget it, it's endless. Smiles from both sides, Buda and Pest, come see me and figure out the rest.